What's up, everybody? Welcome to Easy Call TV. Is me, the homie B. How's everybody doing today? Today we got a clip from No Jumper of Lush 1 talking spicy, my boy. Shout out to 2 Gangs for YouTube. But yeah, man. So Lush 1 is talking about his little, I would say, little problem with, I wouldn't say beef, little problem with King Pill, because he said King Pill still has a problem with him. So he just, Lush won't be popping it, talking spicy, talking that diabolical shit, talking that content shit, keeping this shit going and having people clip that shit up of like people like me. So I caught the little clip of Lush talking real spicy, you know what I mean? And yeah, man, it sounds like Lush 1 needs that. It sounds like he needs that from you, King Pill. You know, if you want a boxing match, it'll be a good, I think that'd be a cool little boxing match. Not saying that, Lush 1 will get whooped, but, Lush 1 been putting it down. He been catching these fades at MacArthur Park, catching a fade with Suspect. So why not, if you really want some clout, I think that would be the good way to go. If King Pill like, hey, let's, box Lush 1. The star host from No Jumper. Why not? The battle rapper. Shit, I think that would be cool. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch this clip. Shout out to No Jumper once again on this clip. Let's go.
Still, like, this fool's still tripping on me. King Pill's mad at me. I did nothing to yo ass. Were you mad because Adam marked you out of the office, and then you apologize to Adam, but want to carry this animosity towards me?
But guess what?
Like, what the fuck?
That's why. If Adam had his little back and forth, you should have set it out, because now Adam back cool with him, and he still want to beat your ass.
But I didn't even say nothing to bro. I never.
I doubt that.
Oh, he'll take care of that. King Phil is not.
He started. He's like, oh, Lush a smoker.
Look, man, Adam can squash that if him. Adam cool, man.
I just went to look for his number. He's blocked. I already blocked him.
He went from wanting to do a album with me to like, I forget what he says, something about smoking drugs or something.
But where did this newfound friendship come back once he apologized?
He just reached out and like made it clear that he wanted to be cool, and I got a hard time holding a grudge. I just kind of got over it. So I was like, you know what?
He's mad I made fun of the anxiety song.
I like that he's just down to box. That wins him a lot of points in my book, because I hear people every day talk about how they want to box and then they ain't doing it. So
because them 11-11 numbers ain't right.
This fool King
in there for free.
In the comment section of the video that Nutty and 1111 dropped with me and Nutty sitting next to each other, this fool Pill out, 2 lames. He said 2 lames. What?
You scared of King Pill? Keep it a buck.
Do I look scared of anything? I'm foolishly unscared
he will
of
whoop
anything. You. Yeah, I'm not trying to fight King Pill's dumbass, but for him to even be tripping on me is retarded.
Yeah, I don't understand that.
Yeah, like,
I mean, I definitely disrespected him more than anybody for sure. And if he was like able to piece it up with me, also it's like you can't like be cool with me and have beef with Lush.
Yeah, exactly.
Unless you have like a really good reason.
All right, there you guys have it, man. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that video. Like, comment, subscribe, Easy Call TV. Y'all was kicking with me, the homie B. Let's go.